computer, and it looks like I just got it to work again. So let's see how long this is gonna last. I was selling Bitcoin, which got me stopped out, and looks like it's setting up now for the short. I have a sell stop here in case it actually breaks below. Let's see what happens. And I also bought RCN, but this is about to pull back now, so there's, yeah, it's kind of a shitty day. So everything is like whatever.
Are you a retail trader, LOL?
Yeah, so what's the problem with that? Alright, back into the voice channel. Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my... Yep, I'm trading retail on IC markets. Subconscious overloaded, careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around, keep walking till you get out of my face. Most of us do. If that makes me a second-class citizen, I can live with that. Do you see the DAX? That worked out so nice, and I got stopped out so bad this morning. Well, that was my fault anyway.
Was it a rescue account or a normal?
With a live account, not connected to the network at all. Trash $2,600 casually.
Well, losing money professionally, huh? Anyway, my S&P was, I would have doubled 0.40%. I just made 0.19. Damn it.
Thinking about shorting RCN. It looks pretty good. It's rejecting since 40 minutes already. It looks pretty interesting. Probably gonna make another VWAP test, which is fine. Yeah, pound yen is sacking down pretty quickly. This is gonna go down from here.
It's 4 a.m. here near, so I will turn on. I will turn off. See you in the London session. No? If you're around.
Sorry?
I go to bed. See you in the London session.
Oh, alright.
Good luck.
Have a good night.
You too as well. Good day.
Cable. cable. You send chills down my spine. Said I'm not worthy of your love. Well, this is definitely goodbye. Oh, it was fun having you around. Looking in the rearview mirror, my decisions may be clearer. You say I'll never find somebody like you. Find somebody like you. Without the words, I love you till the end. Without not even trying. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so unoriginal. People like you, they're just so predictable. So pitiful. Yeah, you. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so delusional. Thinking I'd ever get high out of your love. So pitiful.
Cable.
You send chills down my spine. Said I'm not worthy of your time. Well, I enjoy this bumpy ride. I sure appreciate the lies. I can say my heart is bleeding. Looking at me in the mirror. You never made my body shut down. Body shut down. Without the words, I love you till the end. Without not even trying. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so unoriginal. People like you, they're just so predictable.
Okay, cable looks like an interesting buy.
You send chills down my spine. Said I'm not worthy of your love. Well, this is definitely goodbye. Oh, it was fun having you around. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so unoriginal. People like you, they're just so predictable. So pitiful. Yeah, you. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so delusional. Thinking I'd ever get high out of your love. So
Do you remember when we first met? I thought my eyes would fall straight out of my head. Guess we all live in proof of love at first sight. But now we both see love in a different light. Keeping love alive is a tricky thing. You gotta let it fly, gotta give it wings. If you wanna make it right, don't let it fry. Don't hold on too tight, you know you gotta try. Keeping love alive. Well, I gotta give it to you. Don't know how you found the time. Making all ends meet while running down that line. Keep it love alive. It's a tricky thing. You gotta let it fly. You gotta get it in wings. If you wanna make it right, lose and thrive. Don't hold on too tight. You know you gotta try. Keep it love alive.
shut. If you leave, I'll fall. Are you holding on to my love? Are you holding on to my love when push comes to shove? If you leave, I'll fall. Are you holding on to my love? My love, my love, my love, my
Fish, I'm sorry. I didn't come back in time.
For what?
Oh, I left you alone for too long. Now we can be quiet together, thank you.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah, I'm just watching a podcast on fucking alien evidence, and I'm just like, it's all bullshit, but I find it amusing. Well, these ones are always like anything with like the gray man, you know, the big head and shit. It's like, I'm like, whatever. How's dare I ask, Bitcoin? Did you did you get stopped out?
Oh yeah, I got stopped out.
Yeah. I'm just, I don't know. Guess I won't be doing much today but watching Pound Yen move around. Maybe there's another place somewhere. Yeah, I'm gonna trade Pound Yen on the 5 minute while I have this position. Nope, fuck that. 30 minute. Just gotta wait for a good pullback. We gotta somehow bait the dudes from the bot grinder server into here. But how?
Well, some of them are trading.
Oh, really? Oh, probably Bitcoin, yeah.
Yeah.
Be bad having some talks about quads and stuff in here.
And all of them are chronically broke.
You should just, like, get them, like, just tell them. They'd be like, hey, man, fucking cash prize, all right? All of you start with a demo. You just have to hang in my server and chat, all right? While you flip this demo. Get them, like, new quad parts and stuff. I don't know.
That maybe even work.
Yeah, that probably would work. I bet they would be down for it. They're all trying to pump up fucking small channels, so it would work.
Yeah, one guy was like, I have only one battery, and I said, what? What are you gonna do with one battery?
Man, I'm such a noob. I don't even know why it's funny, but I'm assuming you need multiples so you don't have to, like, wait to recharge forever.
Yeah, you have like 2 minutes of flight time.
God, that's fucked. How much is a battery?
I don't know. The cheapest one I have is like $6. And the expensive one, maybe, I don't know, 20, 25.
What the fuck? Dude, the amount of... Oh, whatever.
And I was like, dude, how are you gonna do that? Gonna drive somewhere to fly? And then 2 minutes later, you're gonna go back home or what? And then he said like, yeah, I got only, I don't know, $40 allowance a month. And it's, from who? From my wife. Oh, come on, seriously.
Wife. Oh, no. Oh, no. Holy fuck. Holy fuck, that guy's whipped. Oh, man. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I get allowance from my wife. Oh. Okay. God.
But I didn't get into that because I don't know the circumstances, so whatever.
I really hope he was just trolling.
No, he's legit.
Fuck. Fuck, man.
He's a pretty good chef, dude. Yeah, actually a lot of chefs in the Discord. Very interesting bunch.
It kind of makes sense, because I've noticed most of the people in there are, like, older. So I think there was, like, this whole hobbyist generation that, like, has missed the new gens, you know? So cooking can be a hobby.
High swing.
That's my guess there. Yeah, I still haven't
You
bought
were
mine
going
yet.
up
I was
for now.
Oh, euro.
Yeah, it could be over with the US dollar weakness. I'm not sure yet.
Yeah.
Dollar cat is trying really hard to stay at the VWAP. So the party could be over. Says the guy who just bought cable. So if the party is over, I'm gonna get stopped out.
It's gonna fall.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm in pound yen, so hopefully cable doesn't.
I have an optimistic target on cable. It's about 24 pips up. But I'm probably gonna exit at a high. Not sure yet. Depends on what dollar cat is doing. It bounced off the VWAP, sort of, and stopped moving since then. I mean, it went down, but how much is that? 4 pips?
What do you think of pound yen? I'm floating 20 pips right now. And I'm just
USD CAD looking to go down to 1.2560.
Yeah, the yen pair stopped moving too. What's the DAX doing? Oh, the DAX is back at the high. Fuck! Look at that price action. That will be like 6 grand with my original position that got stopped out for no reason.
Fucked up, dude. That's so fucking retarded.
Look where it
You
is.
bought that guy so many batteries, dude. You could have bought the whole server batteries.
1.25.
Yeah, that's fucking retarded, man. What the fuck? I'd be so fucking pissed. Like, knowing me.
About?
Just getting stopped out like that, and then you'd be up 6 grand. Just,
Well, I knew that there is some random price action is gonna happen, so this is on me. I cannot blame anybody for that.
yeah.
I knew it gonna happen. I actually said it out loud that there's gonna be a rollover in 2 minutes, and it's gonna fuck me up. And sure it did. Just not as serious as I expected it to be.
Yeah, that was a bit. I mean, yeah, rollover. But yeah, that's. Yeah.
If you look at the deal map, the price wasn't even there. This was pure slippage.
Yeah, it's.
It got filled like, I don't know, 7 or 8 euros below the lowest price. Fuck that.
They're stop hunting you, dude.
Yeah. Where's my tinfoil hat?
Yeah.
And we need to figure this out now.
Tinfoil hat. I forgot.
Yeah, the DAX just broke out. This is gonna keep going. Nasdaq, this didn't make a new high yet. Oh, wait, it did. This is yesterday already. So it's approaching the closing high. 1.2 points below it right now. And then yesterday's high is about 17. Yeah, but this does look very solid, to be honest. I'm gonna close ASEAN at a high. Or maybe now. Oh, fuck you, share mouse. Yeah, just close everything that has no target.
Susie Yen still looking to go up.
Yeah, I think we're done here. Unless the Nasdaq makes a substantial move, like literally right now. And the US dollar.
You just really don't want to look at pound yen today, huh?
Oh, I'm in ASEAN. I'm on the same trade, just a different pair.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yeah, this shit looks.
Yeah, it looks like the US dollar is done going down.
Yeah, for a minute, yeah.
Damn it, my security camera doesn't work again. Why is everything breaking? This is so fucking annoying.
Because you put tinfoil hats on everything.
I really hate this throwaway society.
What do you mean, Fish? Let's talk about it on our new podcast.
Well, everything is designed to break.
True. Reminds me of that light bulb that's been running for over 100 years just because the copper wire is a little bit thicker than normal. Yeah. Reminds me of that all the time.
Oh shit, the US dollar is gonna fuck it up now.
So do they like specially engineer things so they know it'll break after a certain like hour span?
I think there is some engineering going into that, so because there is cost involved if it's within the warranty time.
Right, yeah, so they just...
The whole society is running around money in an imaginary stock market.
Stock market is not imaginary.
I mean,
it just never goes down.
Stock market, it's paying me real money, so I mean, I'll take it. Or we're all in a fucking madhouse in an insane asylum, making money in our heads. I don't want to talk about that. Sandy. Are you talking about how like they're inflating and fucking around with numbers? Is that what you mean by imaginary? Because Hit the Bid was ranting about that like crazy. That shit was hilarious. Fuck. I never knew he was that funny. I thought it was just his...
Oh, he is funny as shit. He actually did stand-up like 20 years ago.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I was like, oh, it's just because he's got that accent like Bill Burr. And then I'm like, nope, he's actually funny as fuck. I was wrong. Pretty quickly. Yeah, he was great. I didn't fully agree with his thoughts on the stock market thing, but that's okay. I think he's just making entertainment.
Yeah, sure, it's just entertainment, but he knows the background. The market never goes down, basically. That's what he says, and that is true.
And they can pump up the market any minute.
Yeah, the perpetual up, which is what I always think about lately, which is why you should probably scale into stocks. But yeah.
This is not about pumping every minute. We are not a tinfoil hat show here. This is about inflation. If your money loses 15% in value and the stock market goes up 15%, guess what? Nothing has changed, but the stock market went up. And that's why the markets never go down. Even if there is no performance, market will still go up to cope with inflation. That's how the system is designed.
True.
I don't like that. I'm just gonna close it.
Which one?
Everything.
Oh, fuck. Hold on.
I mean, cable looks good, but the yen is very weak now. Very weak. And
Fuck yeah, dude. I want to add in so much into this, but I don't want to. It's so much more tempting on 4-hour charts to be like, you know, I'm just gonna smack it in there.
for some reason, the dollar just stopped dying. Can it just go bankrupt for a minute?
I think you missed that.
Oh, sorry, fake news.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, if I go now, I have 0.17. My fuck up from the bitcoins before. But cable looks actually pretty nice.
Yeah.
But I don't really trust the dollar. This looks really ish.
Yeah.
I mean, look at dollar CAD. It hasn't moved at all.
Yeah, it's you know what? Let me throw up my new currency divergence tool I made recently. It's basically done.
You made that too, huh?
Yeah?
Outcoders. I still use shitty graphics.
We used VWAP as a 0, and then we also used a pivot. So if you set it to 50 hours back, it'll either use the VWAP of the last 50 or a pivot that it makes. So it's pretty cool, depending on the resources you want to use. Haven't used.
Yeah, divergence is mainly a resource problem.
Yeah, the pivot. I was messaging you about it, but it's whatever. It uses up like no resources, and it was pretty competitive with the VWAP. They were almost like very similar, which makes sense because it makes sense. And if you think about how Xscalp does their calculation, they just look back in the past, take the high and the low of that structure, and take a midpoint, like the middle point, and then they use that. I'm just using a pivot, so it's essentially the same shit. I don't know. Anyways, how many hours back should I go? Let's see. We're looking at $CAD. We'll go back the last 24 hours. Oh yeah, they're fucking. Hold on, I gotta let it load up probably. They're like perfectly mirrored on my end. I'll actually send you. Wait, what tool are you using? 24 hours? Okay, here. I'll show you what it looks like on my tool. I only selected to see $CAD. But it looks really trippy on my end. Fact.
The CAD is actually not tripping. The Swiss francs, but they always do. They don't matter. So does Kiwi.
Yeah.
So it's Aussie yen, Aussie dollar, Euro dollar for me.
Yeah, I'm an idiot. I forgot how the tool worked. I turned off all the currencies but dollar and CAD to see them, and then I remembered, oh wait, that gets rid of all those currencies in the analysis, so it was left with nothing but dollar and CAD. And I was like, why are they perfectly mirrored? Okay, anywho. Oh, and the fucking labels are kind of...
So the extreme is Kiwi Swiss, but that doesn't really count. So the next best is Aussie yen.
Yeah. It's the same look. Yeah, here, I sent you a screenshot of it. It's just, that's for the 24 hours for mine using the pivot as the 0. It's pretty similar.
That looks almost the same. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, but it's using a pivot, and a pivot's never the exact 50% of the high and low, so it's a bit more interesting, I guess.
Yeah, but with using pivots, it makes actually more sense. Because open close is time based. Who gives a shit about what time it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, is this just the last pivot, or some pivot, or some mid pivot, or how is that defined?
It goes 24 hours back, and it takes the high and the low, and then it uses the current price as the quote-unquote close. That shifts a little. Yeah. So, that's how it works.
Okay, that makes somewhat sense. Because you try to enter now, so using the current price makes sense.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and that's just the only way it works, yeah. I just didn't want to use the middle.
But you have the Swiss overextended too, which is strange. And the Kiwi as well.
Yeah, the labels are kind of fucked, so we gotta work on that at some point, but yeah.
Yeah, but Swiss and Kiwi is always fucked, because there's not enough volume to make the math properly.
Mm-hmm.
Pound euro is at the same level. Ish. Yeah, the Canadian dollar is a little bit higher.
I can set it to VWAP, but my shit might fucking freeze because I don't know. Sometimes it's so much resources. Let's see. Because we had to figure that out because we did the VWAP first. But then it was using a lot of resources, so we figured we would just use it when we want to use it on the weekend for like long term or something. But yeah, just give it a minute. Takes a while to load.
What platform is that running on?
MT5, yeah. You can have it if you want. I was gonna gift it to you. You can play around with it, but it's not fully done. Let's see. I'll just send it to you.
I have something similar, but I don't have the source code.
Oh, if you want the source code here.
No, I mean, I have something similar for C-Trader, but I don't have the source code for that.
Oh, okay.
I should have exited the position. It's crawling slowly back. The US dollar is picking up this. Oh, the dollar index is right at the VWAP. Oh, I'm gonna be so toast in a minute.
Yeah.
Aussie dollar didn't make a new high. Or maybe it's in the process. Dollar cat still nowhere.
This version.
Cable is back at the VWAP.
Looking like USD CAD going back up for now.
Yeah. That's what I'm worried about. That's gonna fuck up my trades.
Oh shit. New Zealand dollar just shot up.
Kiwi is always extreme, just like the Swiss. You cannot use the divergence calculations for these two pairs.
Yeah.
There's not enough volume on their crosses.
So check out this, hold on. So right now, it all loaded up. This is the VWAP version, and you can compare the differences. It's really not that bad. If you want to like save up on resources, check it out. That's the VWAP for my broker. Anyways, their data. Traders one. That's 24 hours for both.
Yeah, but that's acceptable.
Mm-hmm. So that's fucking just tells you what you need, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. This is just something you look at for a second and then...
Mm-hmm. Just get your pairs, yeah.
And the large moves, they are basically covered the same.
Yeah, and it's instant, no X scalp, and you can type in any number. You can do 1,000 hours, do whatever the fuck you want. Just type in a number. It's easy. Yeah, fuck you, X scalp. I fucking cracked your code. Made a VWAP edition just so Fish would look at it.
No VWAP, don't care.
Exactly. Yeah, I remember when Radman's like, why would you use VWAP? I'm like, why wouldn't you? It's the zero line, bro.
Yeah, actually, I would use the VWAP price instead of the spot price for the calculation.
Oh. Well, here, I'll send the code over if you ever want to tweak it, but we may or may not end up just selling this in the marketplace because it's just an easy tool to sell. So, here you go. Just don't tell Wobbler. Nah, he doesn't give a fuck.
I will not sell it.
Yeah, you don't think I should? Alright. I'll take your word for it.
I would sell it for $50 or so. I mean, for a meaningful price.
No, I was gonna hijack it up, dude, because like I've seen shit on there. It's like they're like signed for a few hundred. I'm like, what, 40 copies sold? I'm like, in the last month. I don't even know if those are accurate numbers most of the time, or if people are actually that stupid buying $1,000 algos that don't work.
Yeah, maybe the programmer buy it by themselves, or they have some buddies. Can you just purchase this for me? I give you cash.
Yeah, because then it's kind of like a little, you know, they take a little cut. Yeah, that's likely. Nah, I was debating it.
That's what I will do. I'll just ask everybody, just buy this for me, I send you the money.
Yeah. Yeah, it makes sense. If it makes sense, fucking do it. Yeah, I believe it. I don't even think that's a conspiracy. Makes sense. There you go. Now you never have to use Xscalp ever again. But you have to go on MetaTrader 5. So
I was just about to say, but now I have to use MetaTrader. Which one is worse?
all right, okay, your browser or MetaTrader. You know, you got to choose two of the lesser evils. God, yeah. MetaTrader gets so
Life is not fair.
Yeah, it's
Well, the Nasdaq is still trying. What's the Nikkei doing, by the way? Oh, it's dipped down towards the Weaver-ish. It's going back up. I think I'm just gonna close the ASEAN, or at least move the stop. Yeah, I should move the stop like really far, like around here. Yeah, that looks good. 929 new stop. I can actually scale in. Oh, wrong button.
Yeah, it was crazy actually getting the project done though. It didn't take that long. Kind of had it all figured out. It's very rare things like that happen with coding projects.
Yeah, I'm gonna trail the ASEAN out. I'm gonna move the stop even higher.
Yeah, you know, I'm gonna move my stop up a bit. It would make a lot of sense at this point. It just, yeah, it makes perfect sense. Try this up a bit. My stop's now at 0.640 for pound. Sandy's long dollar CAD. God damn.
Oh, fuck it, I'm out. I'm closing everything.
I have USD CAD hedged at this point.
Dollar CAD is still below VWAP.
Dude, Fish, you gotta check the voice chat. There's a guy in here. He has absolutely no roles. He's streaming right now, and he's just showing us his portfolio. Oh, man. Alright, man. You ready for the fast track? You ready for... Holy fucking shit. These things write themselves.
There is no position on. Oh, there is a position.
Oh wait, the guy has a roll now, Fish. What? I don't know how he got one. He didn't have one. So how'd he do it?
Yeah, he probably doesn't know how it works. Hey guy, you streams his portfolio.
Yeah, with
You need to go to read first and check yourself a role, then you get access to all the channels.
yeah. By the way, Sam got everyone's a genius in a bull market, so just be humble. We've all been making money off of this shit.
He's probably gonna sell something in a minute.
Mm-hmm.
USD CAD lining up to pull up in 10 minutes.
Like, it's funny, right? Because he's showing us his portfolio with crypto, Bitcoin being the catalyst, Bitcoin's up, all his crypto is up. 1 + 1.
Yeah, I should not have closed the ASEAN. Oh, whatever. Who cares? Oh, he left. Oh no, he's still here. Yeah, I'm just gonna give him a roll.
I gave him alcoholic. I was like, dude, you got your first roll. Oh no, he didn't leave. Oh. Dang.
Oh wait, he does YOLO, right? So he's a slow poke.
Yeah, he does HODL. He should just be an investor. But he does need a roll. Yeah. And we're alone again. Man. Maybe it's because I'm in here. Like, I'll just leave. Just check back in an hour. Swoop in.
It left.
Yeah, he did.
Now I'm sad.
I guess he didn't like that we weren't impressed. I mean, I can only speak for myself. You could have been very impressed. I'm sorry.
I was impressed. Nice mobile phone.
I could tell from the UI what edition. He must be making money. Nice mobile.
Yeah, ASEAN looks really pretty. I should not have closed that. But I haven't slept and I don't... yeah.
Oh.
Still in the aftershock of my DAX fuck up this morning. So I'm probably gonna do something stupid pretty soon.
Yeah, it looks like a pullback might happen here soon. But that's okay. Whoa, hey Fluffy. Ah, you did their mic. I've seen you in here often lately. You're a valuable person. So you should talk to us, don't worry.
Make money back and forward. I can't talk, it's 5 AM here.
Oh, okay. Your voice is sleeping right now.
Gonna
We have
wake
to
up the
wait.
whole house.
Yeah. Gotcha. Don't worry, Fluffy. It's all about the risk to reward, alright? The reward is... Oh, I guess back to work on my fucking Google sheet. Hey, if anyone watching the stream likes to do fundamentals outside of fucking news, let me know. Trying to get a fundamental analyst
Yeah.
group going. If so, just message me on the Discord. We can talk, and I may add you to my little groupsie.
Who's down to make a Forex course and quit trading?
That's like opening a driving school and quit driving.
It's like your high school coach that's like really fucking fat, and he yells at you to run.
I agree.
Yeah, fuck that. Like, no one will respect you ever if you do that. It's better to look long term if you care about your career.
Just kidding, trade or die trading.
Yeah. Now you could make a course rehashing the same old shit and use like a pen name. if you're bored. You could call them your notes. You made notes somewhere. It's like trader's notes. Buy my book. That'll get leaked after the first 2 copies because you priced it so fucking low.
Join my webinar.
The webinar becomes a timeshare thing. Yeah, I never fully did those. Like all the advertisements I'd get about, oh, I'll get your email in for this webinar, blah, blah. Like what becomes of those? Like, do they actually try to sell you something at the end?
They talk for an hour and they never give you the full info.
To be honest, it's probably because they don't even know themselves. They just took notes from the last webinar they watched and then
I learned this shit the hard way. They always end with buy my course to find out more.
By
wiping some accounts.
I pirated a lot of courses and like all of them. It's amazing how people can talk for like 5 hours about nothing and just kind of point around and say a bunch of bullshit. Your best bet is like just actually getting a book that's from like Wiley from like decades ago if you want some real stuff.
You can pay $300 to hire someone online to make a Forex course.
On Fiverr? Yeah.
All you have to do is record yourself saying yeah it's an uptrend buy and it's a downtime sell and show your course and sell them just nice have limbo. That's easy, no?
Yeah, what's his face? Who's that fucking dickhead? Anton? He did a good video on about how those people operate, making the dual accounts, one long, one short, only showing the ones that win, and how they just buy fake money piles and rent, and, you know. Anton Craig? I don't know.
Yeah, and he talks about conflict of interest, and he creates a conflict of interest by himself by selling his course in the same seminar.
Yeah, and he's a total dickhead, because I just remember like him going after people on social media, and I'm just like, yikes.
That's why I don't do courses.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, fake it till you make it.
Or you just learn your shit. How about that?
Yeah, like legit guys, those old books from like 30, 40 years ago from Wiley, they're not that bad. Worth just reading. So you don't get like how many times do you want to be taught about basic support and resistance? Probably not that much.
Yeah.
Like, if you want a good course, don't watch videos.
So high, no one can make us slow down.
Or even like people at look up some like sites where they give out info for like funds, and you'll see like there's like a CEO or like the group that runs it. You learn the names of those guys, Google them. They all have books that they've written that might be useful. That's a good way to filter.
I learned by reading books, and fail a lot back in the days.
Yeah, well, depends on which books, but yeah. Like, I mean, obviously there's gonna be kind of books, but there's some good ones out there. Like the guy who, like, you guys probably know harmonic patterns. You know that guy invented them. The guy who invented them, he wrote a book on them.
This was in around 2005.
Yeah, okay. Did you read that guy's books ever, Fluffy? Because those are pretty good. I mean, you can learn about him through gurus, but there's actually the guy himself, and he wrote books on it, so you can pick up more data from there.
No.
Yeah. But
never.
Yeah. It's just another method. I mean, most of my stuff is just me kind of like playing around, testing things, getting things coded to try out, writing notes. But there's some good books.
This guy Mazzini just got arrested few days ago for scamming millions of dollars. All his Instagram is going around giving free money to people and buy stuff for random people.
Yeah.
Here's a cat invasion. I cannot sit anymore. And she just looks at me like, what the fuck do you want?
Let me see if I can recommend you guys any books watching if you're interested. Or you don't give a fuck, because you said
Swing, you live in
2005.
Thailand?
So I don't know. I have a feeling you're fine, Fluffy. You's a veteran.
Okay, gotta move the cat. And a lot of complaints.
Some claw marks to show their complaint.
No, just noise.
Oh, that's cute.
And the other cat on my desk, she just doesn't give a shit. She's 16 years old already. Yeah, looks like cable is gonna go down. It's fighting, but it doesn't look very good.
Yeah, I'm expecting a pullback.
Let's see what it does on the VWAP. Actually, it kind of dipped the VWAP already, but ASEAN is not there yet. And the Euro isn't there either. Oh, fuck you, Sherma.
You have a trend line made. If it gets below that, I'll get out and I don't know.
Dollar
Try again
CAD.
later because I'm still a bull.
cable.
There's the VWAP. And I didn't scale in. But I didn't see it. I watched it. I just did. Oh, fuck you, share mouse again! This is so freaking annoying. Alright, it's now or never. Wow, Aussie yen went down hard. Yeah, this is gonna fail.
I've been in this for 4 hours, man.
Still a cat.
Nah.
Yeah, I just popped over the VWAP casually. It's gonna fail hard. Look at Aussie yen.
It's okay. I have the suicide booth access in case I need it, so it's fine. I'm hedged.
Aussie dollar.
Hell, I've been long AUDJPY for 12 days.
Okay then. Yeah, this is gonna go straight down. Yeah, either reverses literally now or not at all. Come on, give me a little bit bouncy at the VWAP. Aussie dollar seems to hold. Come on, you can do it. I should have added more. It's not out of the woods yet. Canadian dollar is still green. Yeah, this is going down. VWAP is not holding.
Aussie dollar. Aussie yen.
Come on, give me a little bouncy. Just how much do I need? 4. fighting hard, but actually ASEAN is fighting even better. But I don't think this is gonna hold. Yeah, there is no reaction at the VWAP on the Aussie dollar. What about the euro? Yeah, euro same. It just bounced back a little bit and it's already back down. This is gonna break below.
My stop loss is 68 pips away, like my TP. Oh man. I really hope it doesn't run all the way down there. That would be really weird. But possible. Okay. Really gonna have to pay attention if pound yen goes down 39 pips, like at a 0.788. That's where I'm gonna be watching a lot more. Set an alert.
Do they have these bikes with fat tires in the US? Is that kind of a trend or something?
Yeah.
What's the purpose? Besides of wasting energy?
Probably like it's the aesthetic.
Yeah, it's just a trendy thing, I guess.
I guess you can just really go off-roading, I guess.
No, you can't, because you're gonna need like 17 slaves to actually move it forward.
That's the some of them are, I think, semi-electric though, aren't they? They have like an assist. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Seems really like you just said, impractical. But yeah, I usually see people doing it on the road, so I think it's just aesthetics, like
Because
kids.
my wife kind of tricked me this morning to give her my credit card.
Go on. What happened?
And I just say, just go to the mall and test drive these bikes. You will see they're really hard to drive. I mean, they're like sitting on a sofa, but have you tried driving a sofa? This is gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be really comfortable, but you cannot move it.
Yeah.
NOOL. Not the credit card.
Yeah, that's I think I must have rode on one once when I was.
I see them driving around here quite often, because this seems to be kind of sort of a trend, and the roads are kind of shitty, so there is some advantage to that.
It's gotta be some stupid aesthetic crap. Kind of like, remember like when people had those like sunglasses you can't even see out of? Like the same shit. It's like, what are we doing? Okay, you can kind of see out of those, but still, it's just...
I had this kind of micro discussion about that, and she like, have you driven one? And I know, but I went to high school, I learned about physics.
I was gonna say, don't question a German on engineering, alright? I would just be like, yep, you win. Also, didn't you do, well, you did physics, close, good enough.
No, I mean, if you drive a tractor, then you're gonna be having a hard time moving it, because it's not the purpose. It's not purposely built to be fast.
Yeah.
It's purposely built to not to tip over.
Yeah. That's a good point.
And this kind of bikes kinda serving the same purpose. Like I said, on a shitty road, which we have here, there is actually some advantage to that. But I don't know if that's enough, because you're gonna need a lot of horsepower to move it. Same with a tractor. If you have 1,000 horsepower to drive like 20 miles an hour, no problem. But there's still gonna be one human on the bike.
Yeah, it's impractical.
But maybe I'm completely wrong. I don't know. Could be.
I'm gonna Google this.
Would not be the first time I'm wrong, so whatever.
Oh,
I
yeah.
can accept defeat.
When I look up, first one I look up, it's this one's an electric. So,
Euro yen.
but not all of them. They're definitely thinking about making them electric. So, probably to assist you.
Why the hell is my drawdown so high? I'm at break even.
Fat tire bikes explain.
What the fuck is going on? I have a gross minus $13 and a net minus 71. What's going on here? Holy shit, that's 11 lots. Okay, never mind. That's $100 in commissions.
Was it fun?
I just kept scaling in to capitalize on the VWAP bounce, which I actually did. Just scale out a little bit.
The bike was designed for riding across snowy trails, but soon turned up underneath ultra-distance explorers and non-cyclists looking for a new way to exercise during the winter. There you go, so less, I don't...
So it's purposely weak. You have to pedal harder.
Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, I guess so. They're heavier than most bikes and turn slowly, you don't say. But speed isn't the point. The massive volume of the tires allow you to run air pressure so low they barely register. Oh, is that why for the winter?
Dollar CAD.
The resulting flotation enables them to roll over snow, sand, mud, wet rocks, and other terrain that would otherwise be impassable. So it is off-roading, I guess, in a different way.
Yeah, sure, if you have 17 slaves that drive the bike.
No. No, I don't know. I mean, it says here it works. I mean, maybe these people have like some like thunder legs, big old thunder thigh legs. Boom! Lightning bolts of veins. What are you supposed to do? Yeah, the massive volume of the tire allows you to run air pressure so low. They barely register on normal pump skate.
That's why you have gear on a bike.
But you need to have like 45 gears to get it moving.
It's definitely for people who've biked a lot and probably don't care if it's hard, I'm assuming.
Or people that never bike and want to have something fancy.
Yeah, or to look cool. I keep forgetting.
I'm gonna quickly call the bank. Whoa, look at that. Everything is green.
Oh, this is a good one. $3,500. Damn.
Seriously, everything is green. DAX, Dollar CAD, Bitcoin, all the yen pairs. What's going on?
I don't know. Everyone gets a bull market today. They knew we were running a currency divergence, so they manipulated us.
It looks pretty though.
Yeah. I guess we'll be okay, huh? Whatever the fuck that means.
I'm gonna pull the plug here. This is like scaled out already, so I'm not gonna go broke if it pulls back.
Yeah, that was a really good exit on Aussie yen there that you did.
Yeah, in hindsight.
Yeah.
Until like 5 minutes ago, I was convinced this was a shitty exit.
Yeah, I was expecting a pullback, but I'm just watching the hires. It's okay. Just hope it just wants a nice pullback.
In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling.
Come on, get up there, damn it! The other account is still in a loss.
No, it is true that you were lost, and this is a clue. Love is forever. Love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather. Light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo.
Yeah, the dollar is gonna go up, pretty sure.
Music still in your ears.
Come on, give me a little bit volatility so I can exit.
In this dream of
Holy fuck, the spread is so... the commission is so fucking expensive, and I'm fucking out.
love is forever. To believe
And now it's gonna just shoot up, and I was in with 11 lots.
light as a feather.
Of course it does! Look at that! Oh, what a piece of shit. I'm done for today. Dude, I'm just gonna keep fucking it up.
Yeah, fuck it up in profit, why not? Those are some good fuck ups. Hey, Shark.
Fuck you, Share Mouse. This is so freaking annoying.
Hey, Shark, I got a question. If you're there, you just joined, so hopefully.
And when you wake up, you know what you need to do.
Yeah, good morning.
Oh yeah, hey. It's 8 p.m. here. What do you partake in fundamentals at all? So?
Yeah, we don't need with gold. The other things are just look at the price action.
Okay, can you give me a could you please, kind sir, tell me, like, what are your kind of like main fundamentals for gold?
Well, let's say previously it was about the vaccine, but now it's about buy the dips. This is just simple.
Okay, very, very simple. Gotcha.
Oh, look at that. It's gonna go straight up.
Yeah, it was too cheap. I think that's why we had the bid. So we are holding around 1730, and that was the target for me. Obviously, we are in a bull run now. It's from 1725 was the Chicago Mercantile's last resistance, and now we are holding above. So we are in a bull market.
Oh yeah, fuck, you're right, Fish. It is shooting up.
Yeah, not unless ECB pulls it back, but I think we're still going to bounce around 1700. That's a sure support. So I think we're holding above 1725 for sure.
Oh, okay. Do you ever go panning for gold at the river?
What did you say?
You ever go panning for gold at like a river?
Didn't understand the word exactly. What are you saying? What's the word?
Panning. It's like you get like a pan. You go to the river. You sift the sand around. You get some gold nuggets.
Yeah. Before I used to look for swing trades, but now I'm just taking positions on a daily basis. But I don't think I'll try and say hold it for long, because now really gold doesn't make the the flame it used to make those years back or those days back. So I think I'll just stay with my short positions daily trade. So
Do you know what a river is?
a river.
Yeah.
Do you physically look for gold?
Yeah.
Yeah, running.
Okay, I'll just take that as a no.
Yeah, river, like river, a flowing river or something like this, or what?
Yeah, I was asking if you ever go mining for gold at like a river, you know.
No, in real life, no, I don't.
Hey, it works here in Cali.
Gold Rush man.
Yeah, we got some good old gold rush rivers out here. Still find nuggets.
Well, enjoy yourself. I'm in an area where there's not such thing. Even gold doesn't exist, so we only buy it.
Whereabouts are you?
I'm in France, Marseille.
Oh, okay, yeah. Europe's kind of been I think every rock and soil and tree, you know, been overturned many times.
Yeah, that's the beach and beaches.
Sure. Is that why you're a shark?
When I need to be a shark, I pretend to be one.
Oh, okay.
I'll have a good trading.
That fucker's gonna go straight up now, just to rub it in.
You know what, Fish? It's not gonna rub it in, alright? Because I'm still in the trade, so I'm gonna rub it.
Oh, okay. So you have to exit. Come on, take one for the team.
You know, I'm tempted to just do it just to re-enter.
That's what I did. Do you see my deal map in the trading room?
No, let me go away.
Fuck that. That's not gonna work. I exit and then it tipped the VWAP. Oh, okay, now I got you. And I hit it really hard. Like I said, 11 lots.
Oh, was that the accident or on purpose? Or?
That's what. I didn't look at the size. It was just, okay, it's coming down. It makes a new low. Scaling again, scaling again, scaling again. I didn't really look at the size, and then I saw the SwingFish helper showing the warning about that I just pissed away 50% of my margin.
Margin schmargin.
I set this account to 1 to 30 leverage, so I can actually show the people that you can still make money.
You're cheating. When word gets out, they're gonna change the market meta.
Again?
Again.
So I have to think for like 9 seconds to make a new thing?
Yeah, basically, right? Everyone else runs to new gurus. What's thinking?
Yeah, we're gonna have to recycle all the gurus. Yeah.
Yeah, the old guru meta has been used up. We need a new guru meta. Alright, now comes the, what would you call it? Oh my god, I had it a minute ago. Oh. Oh yeah, get all, everything has to be re-regulated, but for the Illuminati. So restart. No more leverage. No more scaling. No more hedging.
No more nothing, just dump your money and piss off.
Yeah, I'd get really into like some other method, I guess.
Anywho, I'm gonna call it a trading day.
Alrighty. Catch you later.
Yeah, I had some very, very bad experience this morning on the DAX.
Twas a
Euro
decent
dollar.
day, yeah.
So because of that, I'm still having some funny ideas. Like what I just did on cable was very, very unprofessional. So I'm just gonna take the money and run, basically. So have a good one, everybody, and talk to you guys tomorrow. When we trade for real.